Woven fabric manufacturing is the process of creating fabric by interlacing two sets of yarn, the warp, longitudinal, and weft, transverse, at right angles on a loom. Flow chart of woven fabric manufacturing: warp yarn preparation, cone winding, warping, sizing, drawing in, knotting, weft yarn preparation, pirn winding, weaving, final inspection. Warp yarn preparation, cone winding, is the process of transforming small, short-length ring bobbins into large, knotless, and uniform cone packages for efficient downstream processing, like warping. Warping is the process of arranging hundreds of warp yarns from creels onto a warper's beam, preparing them to be stretched lengthwise on the loom. Sizing is the process of applying a protective, adhesive coating to the warp yarns to improve strength and reduce breakage due to friction during weaving. Drawing in process is a vital preparatory step where individual warp ends are drawn through drop wires, heeled wires, heddles, and the reed in a specific sequence according to a design draft. Knotting process in weaving involves joining new warp ends to old ones, often using a Stabli-Tipmatic machine to ensure continuity. Weft yarn preparation, pirn winding, is the process of transferring weft yarn from spinning cone packages onto small, tapered bobbins called pirns for use in shuttle looms.
Weaving, one of the oldest technologies practiced by humans, is the process of fabric manufacturing by interlacing two sets of yarn called warp and weft. The basic material needed for weaving are two sets of threads. The first set is called the warp, two rows stretched the lengthwise. The second set is called the weft, and it goes back and forth between warp. The threads are now becoming a piece of fabric.
All weaving cycles involve three primary motions to create a single row of fabric. Shedding: the harnesses lift or lower specific warp yarns to form the shed, creating a clear, open space for the weft. Picking: weft yarn insertion: a weft thread is propelled or carried through the shed. Beating up: the reed swings forward to push the new weft thread tightly against the edge of the woven cloth. Let off is a secondary loom motion that controls the unwinding of the warp beam to feed warp yarn to the weaving zone. Take-up motion in weaving is a secondary motion that continuously winds the woven fabric onto a cloth roller as it is produced. Gray woven fabric inspection is a critical quality control process that examines unfinished fabric after weaving to identify defects before dyeing or finishing. It involves checking for knots, stains, broken pix ends, and density issues using a lighted inspection table. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.